Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the twin bed frame, a 5-inch heavy-duty metal platform designed for ultimate support and comfort without the need for a box spring. This robust twin-size bed frame boasts a sturdy construction with a thickened metal support frame, capable of holding up to an impressive 3,000 pounds, making it suitable for all types of mattresses. Its low 5-inch height is perfect for accommodating mattresses of various heights, allowing you to sit or lie down with ease. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions and labeled parts, requiring no additional tools, so you can have your bed ready in no time. The metal platform design not only replaces the need for a box spring but also extends the life of your memory foam, latex, or spring mattress. With its minimalist style, this bed frame seamlessly fits into any bedroom decor, complementing your existing furniture effortlessly. So, if you're looking for a durable, easy to assemble, and stylish bed frame, this twin bed frame might just be the perfect addition to your bedroom. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.